It's Tuesday again. How you doing? Hopefully you're having a pretty good day today. Joe here, 690 ADV. Here's a little tip for you. It's not really so much a tip as it's something that you should almost kind of, live by if you ride motorcycles. Everybody talks about Honda, Yamaha, all the different motorcycles and how reliable they are, and which bikes are reliable and which bikes aren't. And people always like to hammer and bash certain motorcycles and say that they're unreliable or all this. In all honesty, really, reliability for motorcycles starts right here in your garage. I mean, I don't care what anyone says. A reliable motorcycle is how that bike is taken care of. More than anything, if you take good care of your motorcycle, it will take care of you. You need to learn how to do your own maintenance and make sure that you take care of your bike on a proper maintenance schedule. You just got to make sure that you're doing the things that you need to do. Change the oil when you're supposed to change the oil. So the tip today is basically, if you want a motorcycle that's going to be reliable, then take care of it. It's only going to be as good as the person that owns that motorcycle. But if you've got a motorcycle that's prone to having problems, it's probably a person that doesn't take care of their bike very well. Oils, valve checks, doing your tires, always just checking everything, lubricating everything that needs to be lubricated. It's really kind of a big deal. So basically today's tip and advice is basically new riders, all riders. I'm sure I'll get some comments down below that, you know what? Reliability is more on you than it really is on the motorcycle, because if you don't take care of your bike's not going to take care of you. So make sure, take the time, do the maintenance that you need to do, and that bike will love you. I don't really like hearing too much saying that KTM is unreliable or certain, Husqvarna is unreliable or Kawasaki, certain motorcycles, or it doesn't, most of the time it's usually the rider more than it is the motorcycle that owns that motorcycle that is having issues with that motorcycle. If you ride that bike hard, make sure that you take the time and put the extra maintenance and love into that to keep that motorcycle running. Hey, that's your tip today. Make sure that you love your bike, do your maintenance, do it often, and do it right. It's not a race. It's your motorcycle. Have a great day.